In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can insert a calendar in Microsoft Excel. For this, you just need to go to your developer option of your Excel. If you don't have developer option, then you just need to go to your file option. Then here is an option which is more. Then go to option and then customize ribbon. And this is developer option. Please, it will be unchecked on your file. Please check it and click OK. Then developer option will be activated. Let's move. For this, you just need to go to the developer option and go to adds in. Here this is store and you need to just enter calendar. Then search. You will see an option which is mini calendar and date picker. Add. Then continue. Then you will see a pop-up calendar there. This is our calendar. You can drag it to there, and now we can use this calendar as pick up a date from this calendar. So starting date, project 1 starting date. For this you need to select project 1 starting date cell. Then you just go to, suppose our starting date was January 1. Then it will pick up the date. And the end date, if the end date is starting date is like April 16, May 16, it will pick up there. And you also add starting date for project 2, suppose 16, and ending date for project 2 is 16 August. You can resize your calendar by this, and there is an option to colorize your calendar. You can do it easily. If you want to delete this calendar, you just need to select this and enter delete of your keyboard. It will disappear the calendar. This is how you can easily insert a calendar in Microsoft Excel. Hope that you like this video. Thank you.